New return lines going in. I'll get to this side yet. This was interesting. That was on there. There's the old ones. Pretty crusty. Looks like we got 2 more to do. Okay. Pretty sure I already showed you this. I think it came out really nice. And yesterday we were doing the return lines, fuel return lines. We got those all done, and decided I wanted to find out what was in this pipe, the crossover pipe under the truck. So my helper went under, and as he's under there, I was looking at this thinking, wow, that's a really interesting looking light. And as he was packing up to leave, I said, oh, don't forget your light. And he says, oh, that's not mine. I found that on the frame under the truck. So I brought it in last night. It was completely dead, so it must have been there for a while. And it works. I charged it up, and it is extremely bright. So I charged it up, and now I have another flashlight. So there's a bonus. Through all the darkness and despair, we got a little bonus. It's a little beat up. Looks like it hit the floor a couple of times, but it still works. Cyclops. I don't know what they cost, but it's more than I wanted to spend on a flashlight at the moment. The next video should be either the brakes or a boroscope down this hole to see if there's anything else left in there. I don't want to start this thing up and destroy another turbocharger within the first 30 seconds. So this is all brand new. So I'm going to make sure that pipe is empty one way or another. Make sure nothing else gets sucked up in there and causes the damage that you saw in the previous videos. So that's where we sit right now. One brand new, very expensive turbocharger and one beat up, free, really cool spotlight.